Thank you for coming by. This is an American Project. Please take your time to like the video and consider subscribing. We're trying to reach 2,500 subs sometime soon. Thank you very much. Well, the judge ruled in the Fani Willis case. She is not disqualified if Nathan Wade steps down. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee ruled on March 15th, Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis does not need to step down from prosecuting a high-profile case against former President Donald Trump and 14 others if special counsel Nathan Wade is taken off the case. The district attorney stepping aside would remove her entire office from the case, which would then need to wait for reassignment to another prosecutor. Mr. Wade is an outside attorney contracted by the office and is leaving the case would allow it to continue without any delay. Well, there has been a lot of noise coming from there. The governor has been called upon to take action. It's time for Georgia to use the SB 332, which Governor Kemp signed into law just this week, and remove the rogue prosecutor in Fulton. And that's coming from a couple of fans of the case. Attorney and commentator Greta Van Susteren and others. Turning Point founder Charlie Kirk said media personalities on both sides of the political aisle have taken issue. Of course, they're highlighting the extent of the impropriety. Other experts and commentators on both sides of the political aisle have said Ms. Willis should recuse herself. For the good of the case, given the ethics issues will abound now as to Willis, she should voluntarily recuse herself from the case and allow another prosecutor to oversee the Georgia Trump case. That's coming from Andrew Weissman, former assistant U.S. attorney and MSNBC co-host. Heritage Foundation senior legal fellows Hans von Spakovsky and Charles Stimson similarly said Ms. Willis should choose to recuse herself. Other persons praised the judge's decision. Quote, Judge McAfee's ruling was clearly correct under Georgia law. Taking so much time and care to do the right thing will stand him in good stead as he seeks to retain his judgeship in the upcoming election. That's coming from a legal scholar, Lawrence Tribe. Legal analyst Renato Mariotti said the decision was a very reasonable and down-the-middle result. Legal expert Jonathan Turley said the judge left a lot of unanswered questions in his ruling. This avoided the cliff, but it did not avoid the questions that will inevitably come up. It's like finding two people in a bank vault and taking one off to jail. He said this at Fox News. The appearance problem that the judge identified with regards to Wade was directly related to his relationship with Willis. They both testified in the same way. They were the two parts of this relationship, and only one of them was disqualified. He's asking why should Willis escape that same penalty. Alan Dershowitz, professor emeritus at Harvard Law, said in National Report interview that the outcome was what he predicted while criticizing the judge. Mr. Dershowitz alleged Ms. Willis perjured herself and conspired to commit perjury with Mr. Wade. Who are going to believe, this judge or our lying eyes? We all know there was an actual conflict of interest here. He just didn't have the guts to say it, and I predicted he wouldn't. He has to live in Fulton County, Mr. Dershowitz said. He said some things that were very critical of her, but still, he should have removed her from the case. And this just in, Nathan Wade is stepping down. And there you have it. Thanks for coming by. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. God bless.